Hi, I'm Sabrina Frey, and I am a glass bead mosaic artist. And today I'd like to introduce you to one of my pieces called Blaze. This is a piece that I made out of seed beads, and the idea here was to make it feel like you were actually in the flames, not just watching the fire, but actually in the fire. A lot of shading, a lot of blending of colors was going on here. I used various textures and styles of seed beads, but they all are about 11.0 in size. And I just had a lot of fun with this piece. It was very, very challenging, though, to get these transitions in place um, and make it so that it had that feel of true fire. This piece is 20 by 26 and was made on an upcycled cabinet door. And I hope you'll be able to look for some more of my work on my Facebook and Instagram.